Today we're going to jump into a Bearnaise sauce. This is a classic French steak sauce, however it also goes really well with vegetables. Please see the description below for a list of the ingredients, and hey, while you're there, please subscribe to help support the channel and see the latest and greatest sauce and gravy videos. Alright, let's jump right into this. So we're going to go ahead and start with 50 milliliters of white wine vinegar, and then 50 milliliters of white wine, a pinch of crushed peppercorn, 20 grams of shallots, and then add 1 tablespoon of tarragon and 1 tablespoon of chervil. If you're using fresh for both, you can use the stems, save the leaves for later. Cook this aromatic mixture over medium heat until the liquid has evaporated to roughly 1 to 2 tablespoons. Okay, so we've reduced the liquid to roughly 1 to 2 tablespoons. We're going to go ahead and turn off the burner. Put this aromatic mixture to the side to let it cool down. Now that the aromatic mixture has cooled down a bit, go ahead and add 4 egg yolks and 4 tablespoons of water. And then we're going to give these bad boys a little whisking. Whisk these eggs over low heat. You're going to want to pay a lot of attention to the heat on the pan. If the bottom of the pan is too hot to the touch, go ahead and take the pan and move it off to the back, off the burner, and whisk off heat. Once it cools down, you can go ahead and put it back over the burner, but you do not want this mixture to get too hot. You do not want to scramble the eggs. When you've reached a thick, creamy, foamy consistency, and you can see trails at the bottom of the pan, you're done with this step. Now we're going to go ahead and remove the aromatic mixture from the sauce. Grab a strainer in another bowl. Go ahead and put the sauce into the strainer. Really push down hard with the spatula. You're going to want to go ahead and get all of the sauce through. Get all of those flavors from those aromatics as best as possible. Take the strained sauce mixture, go ahead and put it back into a saucepan. Now it's time to add clarified butter. You're going to add 1 to 2 tablespoons at first over no heat, so no heat at all. Add 1 to 2 tablespoons, whisk this together. Once it's emulsified, then at that point you can start drizzling in a little bit of the clarified butter a little bit at a time. Once the sauce starts to get thick, you can go ahead and add 1 tablespoon of tarragon leaves and 1 tablespoon of chervil leaves. And of course, a pinch of salt to taste. And there you go, a delicious Bearnaise sauce. Please check the description below for the recipe. Hit that like button, leave your comments below, and please subscribe to help support the channel, and I'll see you next time.